STEM Stars. Welcome to class, and today we will continue with our chapter.
We are doing chapter number 6, political parties, and today we will cover the following topics: political party system and types of political parties. Let us begin with that. Today we talk about political party system. The different countries around the world opt different party system. Political party system can be divided into three categories: one party system, two party system, multi-party system, and then we have the collision of party and idle party. First we discuss about the one party system. In this party system, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. China has one party system. This system is not a good option for democracy. An ideal democratic system must allow at least two parties to compete. Second, we have two-party system, that is also known as bi-party system. In this system, two parties have a serious chance to win majority and form government. The power usually changes between the two main parties. The United States of America and United Kingdom are the example of two-party system. Then we have multi-party system. In this party system, more than two political parties contest election to gain power. In India, there is a multi-party system with more than 750 parties registered by the Election Commission. But only a few parties are in a race to the election and can form government. This system often appears very complex and leads to political instability. It also allows a variety of interest and opinion to enjoy political representation. Now we discuss about collision of parties. In India, government is formed by various parties coming together in a collision. When several parties in a multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting and winning, it is called alliance or front. Next we have idle party system. It cannot be judged that which party system is the ideal one, as party system cannot be chosen. It evolves over a long time depending on the nature of the society, its social and regional division, its history of politics, and its system of election. India has multi-party system, and the social and geographical diversity of our country is not easily absorbed by two or even three parties. No particular system is ideal for all countries. Now next we talk about the types of political party. Democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties. Parties that are present in only one of the federal unit, that is state parties, and parties that are present in several or all unit of the federation, that is national party. This is the case of India as well. In India, there are both national parties and state parties. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. National political parties, a party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha, is recognized as national party. The commission treats all parties equally, but it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given a symbol, unique symbol. Only the official candidates of that party can use that election symbol. These exist, operate and function throughout India. Parties that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the Election Commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called recognized political parties. God, the Election Commission of India has recognized the following party as national parties for the election. Now we talk about the ideologies of BJP. These are considered as some of important political parties of India. In 2006, there were 6 recognized national political parties in country. Out of that, first is ideologies of BJP, or we can talk about the Bharatiya Janata Party. It was founded in 1980 by reviving the Bharatiya Jana Sangh. The aim of the party is to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values. It came to the power in 1998 as the leader of National Democratic Alliance, including several state and regional parties. Next we have ideologies of Congress, that is Indian National Congress, INC. It is popularly known as the Congress Party, which is one of the oldest parties of the world. Founded in 1885, the Congress Party played a dominant role in Indian politics for several decades after India's independence. It is a centrist party, neither rightist nor leftist in its ideological orientation. The party supports secularism and welfare of weaker section and minorities. These are the ideologies of Congress.
That's all with today's session. If there is any kind of doubt, feel free to ask. Take care.